Should you use septic tank shock treatments to break down solids? Homeowners often look for quick fixes when their septic system slows down or odors begin to rise. One solution frequently marketed is septic tank shock treatments, designed to break down solids rapidly. But are they the right choice for your system? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. What are shock treatments? These products use concentrated bacteria, enzymes, or chemicals to target built-up waste. Unlike regular additives, they are sold as a one-time reset for struggling septic tanks. 2. Possible benefits: faster results, may temporarily reduce clogs and sludge. Odor relief, can lessen foul smells for a short period. Simple use, sold over the counter and easy to apply. 3. Risks to consider: microbe disruption, chemicals may kill the natural bacteria needed for long-term function. Damage to parts: corrosive formulas can weaken pipes and seals. Environmental harm: runoff may contaminate soil or groundwater. Short-term fix: covers symptoms but doesn't solve underlying problems. 4. Safer alternatives: regular pumping, every 3 to 5 years to keep solids in check. Routine inspections, catch issues before they grow worse. Biological additives, natural bacteria products used consistently. Water management, reducing excess water lowers system stress. 5. When to consider shock treatments: if your tank's bacteria have been destroyed, such as after a bleach spill, a biological shock treatment might help restore balance. Even then, professional advice is essential. 6. Call a professional. Before relying on septic tank shock treatments, consult a septic service expert. They can recommend pumping, repairs, or safer alternatives that protect both your system and the environment. Septic tank shock treatments may seem like a quick fix, but they rarely solve long-term issues. Regular maintenance and professional guidance remain the best way to keep your septic system healthy and reliable. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.